Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB, so let's get started. Today our topic is Occupational Exposure Banding E-Tool Part 2. The Tier 2 process requires dragging to price applicable data from recommended source and can be time ferocious, taking over the several hours of effectively brand chemical substances. For further information about the Tier 2 process, see the Tier 2 overview runner for industries and exemplification of how to band a chemical with 3 tools. Dragging must register with a business dispatch and what to press 3 tools and bands chemicals. The demand allow drugs to save their data or edit their entries after at all time. NIOSH won't use, vend, exchange or else release any account information, data or chemical bands to anyone for any reason unless needed by law. Every Thursday, we will post our OEB video content. If you are interested, you can subscribe our channel to stay with us. Like, share, comment in our channel will be inspire us to make videos more and more. Thanks for watching.